Right, well, hello everybody and welcome down to my garden. Now this week, something quite exciting. I've got a new tool that I want to show you that I think is going to make my life much easier. And I'm testing it out by building this new bed. Now I've already cut the grass using my lawnmower, and you will notice that many of my battery tools, including my lawnmower, are Ryobi 1. And there's a very good reason for that. I switched a few years ago from petrol garden tools over to battery. Now that's not to say that there's actually anything wrong with petrol tools. I just got fed up of constantly having to get petrol and needing to spend ages starting up my petrol lawnmower whenever I wanted to use it. But although battery tools came with a lot of advantages, the disadvantage is I've had to try and make sure I've always got plenty of batteries. And that means those batteries need to be charged, which brings in my nice new battery charger. Now, this battery charger charges 6 batteries at the same time. Well, I say at the same time, it charges one battery before, when that one's full, it moves on to the next. Basically, it gives you the chance to charge 6 batteries in one go. And then if I would go down to the allotment, I would have to take all my batteries with me as well in order to do things like cutting the grass. If I left one battery at home, it did get a little bit annoying. But also, 4 batteries I have, difficult to carry in one go. And again, this is where this new charger has came into play, because it also acts as a carry case. Now, these are mild inconvenience, as I said, but for me, I feel that this tool is going to make my life much easier in the future. It means I can be more productive. Now, I should say I'm not affiliated with Ryobi in any way. I just chose their tools because I like the fact that the same battery works in my lawnmower, my chainsaw, or my circular saw, or my drills. Just the same battery, which means I haven't got to have loads of different batteries and loads of different chargers. For me, it's just a system that has worked well. Now, I will say petrol tools do have certain advantages. They are certainly much more powerful than battery tools. But do I really need more powerful tools for a little garden and an allotment? I don't think so. So I've decided to go with these Ryobi 1 Plus battery tools. But let me know what you use down in the comments down below. More importantly, I've now got one more bed built. I've laid that out with cardboard, and then we're just going to fill it up with compost. Let's hope January is just as productive. Bye guys, see you again next time.